Welcome to Brandon and Clark. I am pleased to be able to take you on a quick tour of our shop today. Since 1950, Brandon and Clark has been keeping industry humming with quality services and repairs. We strive for excellence and complete customer satisfaction in everything that we do. Now that you know a little bit about us, let's take that tour. We begin our tour today out in the yard where a pad mount transformer has just arrived from a customer. The first thing that we do is take pictures of the pad mount to document the unit's arrival status. The pad mount is then removed from the truck and TTR and MEG to help determine its repair needs. The results of each test are documented and sent to the office staff to be communicated and quoted to the customer. When the office staff receives approval back from the customer to perform the necessary repairs, the lid is then cut and the oil is drained. The pad mount is then untanked and the core coil assembly is thoroughly examined and photographed for documentation purposes. From here the unit is completely disassembled. This particular pad mount was in need of a rewind, so the coils will be unstacked and sent to the winding department. Brandon and Clark's winding department is housed in a separate 5,000 square foot climate-controlled building. This building is separated from the main shop area to ensure that customers receive the highest quality of coils possible. I should note that Brandon and Clark only uses copper in their windings because of its superior conductivity. Once the coils have been rewound and the laminate sheets have been cleaned, the coils are restacked with the core steel, framed, and sent to our connections department where the lugs are soldered back, tap changer installed, and all the leads are insulated. When the core coil assembly has been fully connected, it will then go into the oven for dehydration. While the core coils are being dehydrated, the pad mount tank is being cleaned and new rubber gaskets are installed. After a minimum of 24 hours, the core coil assembly is removed from the oven and placed back into its tank, where reassembly and final connections are made. The pad mount is now ready for new mineral oil or environmentally friendly FR3 fluid. The new oil is placed into the tank using vacuum pressure filling technology, which reduces the amount of air that gets into the oil. When the oiling process is complete, the pad mount is TTR and MEG'd. Once the preliminary tests are completed, the pad mount begins a 24-hour waiting period before it's sent to the testing department where all remaining IEEE C57 testing procedures are applied. After the pad mount has successfully passed all testing, it's then sent to the assembly department where the lid is reattached and the unit is sanded and painted. When the paint has dried, the pad mount is sent to the detail department where all the necessary stickers and stencilings are applied. The pad mount is then taken to the quality control department where it is looked over carefully to ensure that the unit matches all customer specifications. Once the pad mount is okayed by the quality control department for shipping, the job ticket is returned to the office where it is scheduled for shipment back to the customer. Thank you for taking this tour of our Padmount department today. We hope to do business with you very soon.